Hello reception. I wanted to show you something called a learning pack. This is something that you will be able to come and pick up from school on Thursday or Friday when you are having your hours daily exercise. Your learning pack is going to help you with your learning at home. It will be in an envelope like this. And inside your learning pack will be just a few useful things that you might need when you're doing your learning. We will be doing lots of live learning where you are at home and your teacher is teaching you through your computer or on a device. You might need to join in with that a whiteboard, and you will need as well a whiteboard pen to go with it. When your teacher is teaching you on the screen quite a lot, they might ask you to do something on your whiteboard with your whiteboard pen. So every time you join a live lesson, I want you to make sure, if possible, that you've got your whiteboard and your pen next to you, just in case you need to write down something or draw something and then hold it up to the screen to show your teacher or your class. This whiteboard and this whiteboard pen will be inside your learning pack. As well, there will be your name card. Now, not everybody is called Ada, but your learning pack is special to you. So your learning pack will have your name card inside it. This is so that you can use your whiteboard pen and you can practice going over the top of your name really carefully, making sure you form the letters correctly, and then when you've had a little practice, you can wipe it off with a tissue and you can have another go another time. You can also use your name card by copying the letters instead. You can have a piece of paper, you can have your name card like this, and then you can copy your name underneath on the paper like this. So in your learning pack, you will have your name card and you will have some paper. They will be in your learning pack. Also, you will find a sheet like this to remind you how to correctly write all of your letters. It's really important that you get into the habit of writing them correctly. Sometimes we accidentally make mistakes, and sometimes we might start writing a letter in an unusual place. On this, there's a little red dot to show you where you need to start writing, and there's a little arrow to show you which direction you need to go in to correctly write your letter. Now, if I were you, I would not ever, not once, write on this piece of paper. Oh, no. I would keep this piece of paper looking beautiful, and you can do your practicing on another sheet of paper underneath like this. That way you will always have this sheet looking nice, ready to help you if you need it. Does that make sense? Also, in your learning pack, you will find a writing pencil, and you might find a couple of colouring pencils as well. And a number line that goes all the way from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is called a number line. All the numbers are in the right order. We will be using it quite a lot in our learning this term. So this is another thing that it would be good to keep looking good. You might have at home some special sticky plastic that you can put over the top to keep it quite clean. You might have some wide sellotape that a grown-up can help you cover the number line with sellotape so it's covered in plastic, and that will make it a little bit easier to use. I'm afraid we were running out of special plastic in our class. You will also find in your learning pack something like this. Wonder how many squares it's got on it. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares. This is called a tens frame, and we're going to use this to help us with our number, with our counting. So try and keep this in a safe place. If I were you, I would have a special place in your house where you keep all of your learning things in the envelope, and you keep the whole learning pack in one special part of your house. And that way you won't lose any of the things. The other thing you need to think about is, while you're at home, this is the only whiteboard pen that you might have. How will you stop it running out? What do you need to remember to do after you've finished using it? Every single time. You need to remember to put the lid on the pen every time. And if you store it on its side like this, or maybe store it like this, then hopefully it will keep working whenever you need it. I think that's everything I need to tell you right now. Your families will be getting a message to tell you when you can come and pick up your learning pack. And we would love it if you could come and pick it up on Thursday or Friday within the times that you are told. See you soon. Bye-bye.